welcome my channel Accounts with Amit sir. Today I tell you about the chapter of valuation of goodwill, which is included in class 12 of CBSC West Bengal board and ISC board also. In previous class or previous video I already told about the method of valuation of goodwill, average profit method and super profit method. Today I tell you about the last method for valuation of goodwill, which is capitalization of method. Capitalization method for valuation of goodwill. Note down. Capitalization capitalization method for valuation or calculation of goodwill. Capitalization method for valuation or calculating of goodwill. Under capitalization method, there is two method: capitalization of profit, capitalization of super profit method, super profit method, and number two, capitalization of average profit method. Here is the two method for capitalization of calculating valuation or calculating goodwill. Number one, capitalization of super profit method, note down, and number two, capitalization of average profit method. At first, you note down the formula of capitalization of super profit method. Capitalization of super profit method for calculating or valuation of goodwill. Under super profit method, capitalization of super profit method, goodwill equals to super profit into 100 divided by normal rate of return. Number two, under average profit, capitalization of average profit method, goodwill equals to average profit into 100 divided by normal rate of return. Here is the two formula for capitalization method or goodwill or valuation of goodwill under capitalization method. Number one, capitalization of super profit method, capitalization of average profit method. Under capitalization of super profit method, goodwill equals to super profit into 100 divided by normal rate of return. Under capitalization of average profit method, goodwill equals to average profit into 100 divided by normal rate of return. Here is the two formula for calculating or valuation of capitalization method. This is the last method. In previous classes we discussed about other two method, average profit, simple average, weighted average, and also super profit method. And the number three is capitalization of valuation of goodwill under capitalization of method. Today I tell you about the capitalization of super profit method. Super profit method, goodwill equals to super profit into 100 divided by normal rate of return. At first you find out the super profit from the formula, and at first you find out the super profit in the problem sum. Here is the problem number, illustration number 23 of page number 2.24 of T.S. Goodwill sum. The sum is, note down, illustration 23, page number 2.24, average profit of the firm 1,50,000, total tangible asset of the firm 14 lakh, and outside liability is 4 lakh. The same type of business, the normal rate of return is 10% of the capital employed. Calculate the value of goodwill, capitalization of super profit method. Calculate the value of goodwill under capitalization method of super profit method. At first you calculate the super profit. In previous class I already tell you how calculated super profit. Super profit equals to average profit minus normal profit. Super profit equals to average profit minus normal profit. Here the problem is average profit is already given in the problem 1,50,000. So we find out only the normal profit. Normal profit how calculated? Here the normal rate of return is 10% on capital employed. 10% on capital employed. I already said capital employed means what amount of capital invested in business. Here capital employed normal rate of return is given in the problem 10% of capital employed, and total asset of the firm 14 lakh and total liability is 4 lakh. So from 14 lakh you subtract 4 lakh. 14 lakh minus 4 lakh, total asset 14 lakh minus external liability 4 lakh. From 14 lakh to 4 lakh we get 10 lakh. Total asset minus total external liability. Here total asset is 14 lakh of the business, and outside or external liability is 4 lakh. So 14 lakh minus 4 lakh, that is the capital employed of the business 10 lakh. So normal rate of return 10% of the capital employed. So 10% of 10 lakh, 10% of 10 lakh, which comes in 1 lakh, which comes in 1 lakh. What is 1 lakh? 1 lakh is normal profit. 1 lakh is normal profit. So formula is of super profit is average profit minus normal profit. Average profit is already given in the problem sum is 1,50,000. 1,50,000, and normal profit we find out this formula, total asset minus total external liability, that is 14 lakh minus 4 lakh, which is 10 lakh, and normal rate of return of the business 10%. So 10% of 10 lakh, it comes 1 lakh. So it is the normal profit. So average profit is given in the problem 1,50,000. 1,50,000 minus 1 lakh. So 50,000 is super profit. 50,000 rupees, 50,000 is super profit. So we find out the super profit. Then you put the formula, capitalization method of super profit. Goodwill equals to super profit. Here it is the super profit. We find out illustration number 23 of T.S. Goodwill sum number 20, illustration number 23, page number 2.24. So super profit we calculate from this formula, 50,000 into 100 divided by normal rate of return, that is 10%. So valuation of goodwill under capitalization of super profit method, goodwill equals to super profit, that is 50,000 into 100 divided by normal rate of return. Super profit we calculate 50,000 into 100 divided by 10%, divided by 10. So calculate this comes 5 lakh. 5 lakh rupees. Here is the answer of goodwill under capitalization of super profit method is 5 lakh. Please note down this formula, capitalization method of goodwill. This is the last method for valuation of goodwill under capitalization method. Here is the two formula, capitalization of super profit method and capitalization of average profit. At first, capitalization of super profit method, goodwill equals to, you write down super profit into 100 divided by normal rate of return. Goodwill equals to super profit into 100 divided by normal rate of return. Then capitalization of average profit. Capitalization of average profit method, the formula of goodwill equals to average profit into 100 divided by normal rate of return. So after that we solve this problem, illustration number 23 of T.S. Goodwill book class 12, T.S. Goodwill book class 12, illustration number 23. So in this problem, average profit is given in this problem. We find out the normal profit. Average profit is 1,50,000. At first we find out the super profit. The formula of super profit is average profit minus normal profit. I already said my previous video, average profit minus normal profit comes in super profit. So average profit in this problem given 1,50,000 and normal profit, we find out this formula. Here total asset of the farm or of the business is 14 lakh and total external liability or outside liability is 4 lakh. So from 14 lakh we subtract from 14 lakh to 4 lakh comes in 10 lakh. Total asset minus external liability equals to capital employed. The formula of capital employed, when capital employed is not given in the problem, we find out this formula from capital employed, total asset minus outside liability or external liability. 14 lakh is total asset and external liability is 4 lakh. 14 lakh minus 4 lakh, it will comes 10 lakh. What is 10 lakh? 10 lakh is capital employed. Capital employed means capital invested in the business by the owner or partner. So 10 lakh is capital employed. So normal rate of return in such type of business is 10%, which is given in the problem 10%. So 10% of 10 lakh, it comes 1 lakh. What is 1 lakh? 1 lakh is normal profit. Then you put the formula of super profit, average profit minus normal profit. Average profit is already given in the problem. You see 1,50,000 minus 1 lakh is normal profit. So 1,50,000 minus 1 lakh, that is 50,000, comes in super profit. So then you put the formula, calculation of super profit under capitalization method, goodwill equals to super profit into 100 divided by normal rate of return. So here is the super profit, that will come 50,000, which I calculated. 50,000 into 100 divided by normal rate of return 10%. So 50,000 into 100 by 10, which comes in 5 lakh. This is the amount of rupees 5 lakh valuation of goodwill under super profit method, capitalization of super profit method. Okay, if you are new in my channel, please like, share and subscribe my channel to your friend and friend circle. If you are any doubt regarding this problem or regarding this sum, please tell me and contact me with comment box, and my email ID is also given in the screen. You see that, and also my phone number. Thank you.